How are you? Today we'll solve cognitive assessment number 4 till lesson 5 unit 1. Question number 1 here. Complete 76 and 514,000th approximating to the nearest 100th. 100th here where 1 lies here in 100th. So you can approximate this number. Why? Because he tell us in the example approximating, or this sign, it's meaning what? Approximating to the nearest what? 100th. 100th here, 1. 4 can't give 1 this number. Then the result will be 76 and 51 100th. Question letter A, the result will be 76 and 51 100th. Letter B, 0.9986 approximating to the nearest thousandth. Thousandth here was 9 or 8. 8. It will be 9 because 6 is greater than 5. Any digit greater than or equal to 5 can give 1. The digit in the left hand side, 6 give 1 to this number, it will be 9. 0.999. Okay. Question letter C. 10.18 approximating this number to the nearest whole number, it's meaning 0 in the ones. 1 can't give 1 to this number, then the result will be 10. Question letter D. 731 and 56 hundredths divided by 100. We must move the point to left hand side by 2 digits. Write 7.31, 5 and 6. Move the point to left hand side by 2 digits because we have double 0 here. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. In the number 432 and 519 thousandth, which digit is in the 100th place? We have here 432 and 519 thousandth. He asked about what? Which digits lies in 100th place? 1. The result will be 1. Choose letter D. Choose letter D about question letter A. Question letter B. Here write this number in expanded form. 701 and 8 thousandth equal 700 plus 1 plus space. We have here 8 in thousandth. Right, 0.8 behind it. Okay. Question letter B. It shows letter D. Okay. Okay. Question letter C. 5 ones, 5 thousandth. Okay, again 5 ones and 5 thousandth, or this number 5 and 5 hundredth, which greater? We must equal parts. Write 0 here. This number less than this number. 5 equal 5, 0 equal 0, 5 is greater than. Shows this sign. Question letter D. 3.8 and 9 approximating to be 3.8 and 5. This number must be what? Must be 4. We must write 4 in this space because 9 can give 1 this number. 9 we called it rich number. Give 1 to this number, 4 will be what? 5. Then the result will be 3.85. Then you must choose letter B about question letter D. Question letter E. Rounding the number to the nearest 100 thousandths. 100 thousandths. Again, question letter E. He give us the number here. Read with me here. We have 100 75,329 and 275,000th. He won't approximate this number to the nearest what? To the nearest 100,000th. 100,000ths. Where 100,000ths? 7. 7 lies in 100,000ths, or 1. 7 lies in 10,000, but 1 lies in 100,000. So we must approximate it to nearest 100,000. 7 can give 1 to this number, it will be 2, because 7 is rich number, right? Double 0, and here write 3 zeros. The result will be 200,000. Okay, choose letter B. About question letter E. Choose letter B. Question letter F. 19.58 approximating to the nearest 10th. 10th here 5. 8 can give 1 to these digits because 8 is greater than 5. Any digits greater than or equal to 5 can give 1 the number to our left hand side. It will be 6, then will be 19.6. Okay, the result will be letter D. Question letter G, rounding the number to the nearest whole number, its meaning approximated to the nearest ones. We have 24.3. It will be approximated to the nearest whole number, it will be 24, because 3 is less than 5. Can't give 1 to these digits. Question number 3. Write 3 decimal if you round each of them to the nearest 100 or 100th. To the nearest 100th becomes 15.36. 15.36. We want how many digits? 3 number. We want 3 number approximated to the nearest 100th. It will be 15.36. Okay, you can write what? Look at here, 6 lies in 100th. You can write 15.35 and write 6, or 15.36 and 2, or 15.36 and 4. All numbers here, the approximating will be 15.36 to the nearest what? To the nearest 100th. If you are approximating any number from these numbers here in the group here, the result will be 15.36. Why? In this number, 6 can give 1 to this digit. It will be 6. And 2 can't give 1 to the digit 6. It will be 15.36. And 4 can't give 1 to the digits. So the result will be 15. So the 3 digits, you can write 15.356,000th, 15 and 362,000th, 15 and 364,000th. Okay, question number 4. Look at question number 4 with me here. We have number line here labeled midpoint. The number line in place decimal number 3 and 54/100th at its proper location, then round to the nearest tenths. Okay, we can draw the number line here, and the midpoint here we have 3.6, and here 3.5. We can find 3.5 and 5. We can put 0 here and 0 here and write any number lies between. The middle will be what? The middle between 50 and 60, it will be 55. Okay, he gives us in the example 3.54, then 3.54/100th lies in this part. The location about the digits. Again, first we must write this number and this number in the simplest form or equal parts. Write 0 here and 0 here. And what is the number lies between 3.60 and 360/100th and 3.50/100th? It will be what? 3 and 55/100th. Okay, and the digits will be 3.54. It's nearest to this number. Then the approximating about this number 3.54 3.54, approximating it will be what? 3 point what? 3.5. He want approximating this number to the nearest tenses. If you approximate this number to the nearest tenses, it will be what? 3.5. But if you want to approximating this number to the nearest hundredth, it will be 3.54. Okay? So in this example, you want to find what? Replace the number 3.54 in the number line. You must do these steps. Draw the number line vertical here and write the first digits. We know 3.54 lies between two numbers. Where two numbers? Look at here. I will explain here. Okay, this number 3.54 is less than and equal to less than what? 3.6 and greater than what? 3.5. Then you can draw the number line here and write 3.6 and write 3.5. And we want to find the place about or where lies this number. We must put 0 here and put 0 here. And the lies in the midpoint between two digits here, it will be 3.5 and 5. 55 hundredth lies between 60 hundredth and 50 hundredth. And this number 3.54 lies in this part. It's nearest to this number. But if he want to approximating this number 3.54 to the nearest tenth, it will be 3.5. Okay, this number here 3.54, it's approximating to this number, it will be 3.5. So the result will be here 3.5. This example 3.54 hundredth, the approximating will be 3.2. It's the result about this example. You must write this number. But in this vertical number line here, look at here, vertical number line. Can you see it? Here, you must do this operation here. Do these numbers here. You must write these numbers in the number line in your exam. If your teacher gives you the example in the exam, you must put all digits in the vertical number line here. Okay, my students? Okay, in the next time, I will solve with you the new question. Goodbye.